In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WordPress website on your Windows 10 machine using XAMPP. This process will walk you through creating a local server environment perfect for testing and developing WordPress sites without the need for an internet connection or live server. First up, head over to the official XAMPP website and download the Windows version. XAMPP is a powerful tool that offers a complete package including Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PeopMyAdmin. Everything you need to get your WordPress site up and running locally. Once the download is complete, run the installer. During the installation process, you'll want to ensure that Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PeopMyAdmin are selected. These are the crucial components. When the installation is finished, go ahead and launch the XAMPP control panel. With XAMPP ready to go, the next step is to start the Apache and MySQL modules. Open the XAMPP control panel and click Start next to both Apache and MySQL. You might get some firewall notifications, but don't worry, that's normal. Just allow access so that these services can run correctly. Now let's create a database for your WordPress site. Open up a browser and navigate to http://localhost phpMyAdmin. This is where you'll manage your databases. Click on New and give your database a name, such as WordPress YDB. For the collation, select UTF-8 General CI to ensure compatibility, while creating a separate database user with privileges is optional for local installs. It's a good practice for security, so consider doing so if you're thinking about taking this online someday. Having set up your database, it's time to download WordPress. Visit the official WordPress.org site and grab the latest zip file. Once downloaded, extract the contents. Now you need to move these WordPress files to the XAMPP htdocs directory, typically found at c plus xampp plus htdocs. If you'd like your site to have a custom URL, like http://localhost/mysite, simply rename the WordPress folder to match your desired name, like mysite. To configure your WordPress installation, open a browser again and navigate to http://localhost WordPress or whatever custom URL you've decided on. This will bring up the WordPress setup wizard. Input the database name you created earlier, like WordPress DB, set the username as root, and leave the password blank as this is the default for XAMPP. Double check that the database host is set to localhost, then hit submit. The WordPress setup wizard will guide you through the final steps. Fill in your website title and admin user details, choosing a strong password and providing your email address. Once you're done, click Install WordPress. Congratulations, you've reached the finish line. Log into your WordPress dashboard by going to http://localhost WordPress WP admin using the admin username and password you've just set up. You now have a fully functional local WordPress site on your Windows 10 machine, and you're free to develop and test to your heart's content. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.